Dr. Craig, George Smith, in his book Atheism, The Case Against God, makes a claim, maybe is of void value, but it's curious. He say that nature provides the basis of comparison by which we distinguish between design objects and natural objects. We are able to infer the presence of design only to the extent that the characteristics of an object differ from natural characteristics. Therefore, to claim that nature as a whole was designed is to destroy the basis by which we differentiate between artifacts and natural objects. How could you respond to that, Dr. Craig?
Well, I find that claim to be just obviously false. I think one of the strengths of intelligent design theorists like William Dembski is that we make these kinds of design inferences all the time in science and in other fields of life. Every time, for example, a cryptographer determines how to crack a code, and that he's not dealing with just random gibberish, but in fact an encrypted message, he makes a design inference. When insurance fraud investigators determine that a fire occurred by arson rather than by accident, he's making a design inference. When archaeologists determine that certain things found in the earth are in fact artifacts like tomahawk heads or arrowheads, rather than just random results of metamorphosis and sedimentation, he's making a design inference. When SETI investigators search the heavens for a message from extraterrestrial life, they know how to determine the difference between random noise and a message that exhibits the kind of specified complexity that would indicate information. So it seems to me that we make these sorts of design inferences all the time, and that therefore there's nothing threatening to natural reasoning in saying that we can infer from the fine-tuning of the universe that there is an intelligent designer who has set the constants and quantities of nature to be what they are.